In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a button in Google Site. If you're building a page in Google Sites and want visitors to quickly jump to a page, a form, or any resource, a button is a clear, professional way to guide them. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you know exactly what to click and what to type, and you feel confident about the result. First, open your Google Site in edit mode. Edit mode is the workspace where you can change content on the page. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the editing toolbar and the side panel with options. This is different from the simple view that visitors see. If you don't see the tools, make sure you're on the site you want to modify and that you have permission to edit it. Next, look to the right side panel and open the Insert tab. This panel is where Google Sites keeps its building blocks, and the button option is one of the most useful. Click button. This creates a new button element and opens a small window where you'll define how it looks to your audience and where it will send them. Now give your button a name. This is the text people will see on the button itself. Pick something short, clear, and action-oriented, like View Schedule, Register Now, or Learn More. Keep it straightforward and descriptive so visitors know what to expect before they click. Avoid long sentences or vague labels. A few concise words work best and fit neatly on the button. Finally, paste the URL you want the button to link to into the link field. Use the full web address, including HTTPS at the beginning, so the link works reliably. You can paste a link to a page on your own Google site, a Google Doc, a form, or any external website. Before you paste, quickly visit the destination in your browser to confirm it loads and shows exactly what you want. Copying the address from the page you intend to share helps prevent typos. If the link includes extra characters you don't need, it's a good idea to clean those up so the address stays tidy and stable over time. That's it. You've added a button, given it a clear label, and connected it to the correct destination. The button will take on the style defined by your site's theme, so it will look consistent with the rest of your page without any extra work. As you continue building, use buttons for key actions and keep labels consistent, so visitors always know where a click will take them.